Starting a business can be exciting, but also overwhelming. Today, we are going to guide you through 8 essential steps you need to take when starting out. Whether you're starting an online business, a home-based venture, or something entirely different, these tips are key. First things first, picking a name for your business is crucial. Think of something unique and catchy. Make sure to check its availability on Google, the US Patent and Trademark Office, and all major social media platforms. Also, check your state's Secretary of State website to ensure no one else is using it. Once you've confirmed the name is available, secure it as a DBA or doing business as. Next, open a business bank account. This will help you keep track of all your business expenses and income. At this stage, you can use your social security number and operate as a sole proprietorship before forming an LLC or corporation. Deposit some personal funds to get started with your business expenses. Once your idea is validated and you're making some revenue, it's time to incorporate your business. This could be an LLC, a corporation, or another entity type. Incorporating helps protect your assets and gives your business more credibility. Now, check if you need any special licenses. Some states or localities require a business license or other permits, especially if you're running your business from home. Make sure you're compliant with local regulations to avoid any legal trouble. Next, get your contracts in place. If you'll be dealing with clients, you need client contracts. If you're hiring independent contractors, have contracts for them too. For web-based services, include terms and conditions and a privacy policy on your website. These legal documents protect you and your business. Don't overlook insurance. It's vital to have adequate coverage, whether it's a general liability policy or an umbrella policy. If you have people coming to your business location, or if you're providing services, insurance helps cover any mishaps. Also, check if you need workers' comp insurance if you have employees. Finally, start building your professional team. As your business grows, you'll need help. Consider hiring administrative or virtual assistants for day-to-day tasks. There you have it, folks. 8 essential steps to get your business off the ground. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. For all your business needs, visit legalregistration.com or call us at 877-955-7111. Thanks for watching.